Basic verbs.
Hello everyone. My name is Peter. Today, we will learn some verbs in English. Shall we start? Awesome. Dancing. I am dancing. Say it with me. Dancing. 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 Good job. Sitting. Hey guys. I am Uncle Peter. I am just sitting on my couch. Say it with me. Sitting. 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 Very good.
Driving. Hello everyone. I am Stella. Today, I am driving. Say it with me. Driving. 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 Very nice. Keep up the good work.
Walking. Hello. I am Zara. I can't stop now. I am walking home. Walking. 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 Very good. Keep practicing.
Reading. Hello. I am Musayan. I am reading this book. Repeat after me. Reading. 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 Well done. Eating. Hey everyone. I am Julie. I am just eating lunch. Repeat after me. Eating. 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 Nice job. Oh no. I finished my food and I am still hungry. Talk to you later. Thinking. Hey guys. I am Laura. I am thinking now. Repeat after me. Thinking. 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 Good job, guys. Keep practicing.
Learning. Hey everyone. I am Zach and I am in the class and I am learning. Say it with me. Learning. 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 Nice job. Sorry, I got to go. Wow, Peter. How did you get here so fast? Don't worry about that for now. Anyways, everyone did such a great job. That is right, Peter. A real super job. Let us go over all that we learned. Dancing. Sitting.
Driving.
Walking.
Reading. Eating. Thinking.
Learning. Great. We must go. Goodbye for now. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.